What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing Princess Peach from Mario. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like and hit the bell for notifications. Right, let's get stuck into the video. Okay, so Peach, she always has lips like Gary from Final Space. So I haven't done like a conventional picture of her. I found a really cute picture of her, which I like, so I wanted to copy that. So in this video, I'm just going to be doing that. So I just started off sketching out the face really loosely, just trying to get everything in the right place. Not worried too much if all the lines are in the right place to start with. Just as long as you correct it afterwards, that's fine. For instance, I've made it quite big, so I couldn't fit a crown in. So I just thought, oh, I'll just stick a crown like perched in a hair, and it still looked cool. So. So usually on this channel, I either do how to draw where I'll try and do it step by step, or I'll do like a drawing like this where I'm just showing you the different stages. Let me know in the comments which way you prefer, because I can do more of that way. So if you like step by step, where I'm doing every little step and telling you what I'm doing, or if you'd like just to watch each stage or a mixture of both, just let me know. Yeah, so you can see here, I couldn't fit the crown on, so I just perched it at the top of her hair. But I like the way it looked, so that was cool. And then I'm just doing her, she's got like really 70s sort of ABBA hair. Okay, when I was inking, I wanted to use a thicker pen, so I've got this little brush pen. But you can't see here, but when I was doing it, it came out really transparent. So I switched it up to this Sharpie marker. But the only problem with using Sharpies is when you're colouring it in, if you're using alcohol pens, it can easily bleed, so you just have to be a bit careful. If anyone knows a better pen to use for inking in that's quite thick, let me know in the comments, it could be really helpful. So the picture I was copying had quite thick lines, and I really like that, so I thought I'll keep it like that, which is why I used the Sharpie. Cool, and then to finish it off, before I coloured it in, I thought, oh, I'll put some of these Toadstool Mushrooms in the background, because I think Toad's one of my favourite Mario characters, so I wanted to add him in as well. And I thought, if I put lots in, I can do them all the different colours, because I think you get red, blue, yellow and green ones. Right, so I did all the line work, I was really happy with it, so I thought I'm just going to colour it in, see how it goes, hope it doesn't bleed because they use the Sharpie markers, and do a bit of blending and see how it goes. If you want me to do any other Mario characters, let me know in the comments section and I'll do my best to do some of those. I've got a bit of a long list of characters, but I'm trying to get through them all and do a little variety of all different genres, so like anime or computer game stuff or comic book people. But if you've got anyone, just let me know and I'll try and get through it as best I can. Okay, so the last little bits I did, I just got a white gel pen out and just added a few highlights. And then this is what it looked like. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace!